Guys, the iPhone 12 series just got announced and I am here to tell you all the things which you might have missed about the event, all the crazy features, price, availability and every single significant detail about the event. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. So to start with, 5G. 5G is the most important new addition to the iPhone 12 series. All iPhone 12s are now 5G, so worldwide, wherever, whichever iPhone 12 you buy, it will have 5G with millimeter wave support. There are 4 iPhones this year, including the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. Yes, instead of 12 and 12 Max, they instead went with the 12 and 12 mini. Drop resistance is very useful on these glass-built smartphones. One drop can ruin it all. So to prevent that from happening, Apple is introducing the world's toughest glass on a smartphone. They claim that it is 4 times stronger than any smartphone glass out there. They call it ceramic shield, where they do some difficult technical yada yada to create a crystal ceramic layer over the glass which provides excellent drop protection. And this is available on all of the iPhones. But don't take Apple's word for it. Wait for the individual drop and scratch test to really know how strong it really is. All of the new iPhones will have the Apple A14 Bionic chip, which Apple claims is about 50% faster than the current competition. The new processor is also the first one to bring 5nm architecture, which should result in excellent battery life. Then we have the most exciting new addition on the iPhone 12 series. Yes, it's the MagSafe, first time on an iPhone. It uses magnets and it can be used to attach some accessories which are very cool, and it also helps to properly align with compatible Apple wireless chargers and also does not affect compatibility with other Qi enabled chargers. Also, they are introducing a bunch of new cases, a bunch of wireless chargers, and one of them is foldable, so that is kind of crazy. And talking about chargers, how can we forget that Apple is removing the inbox charger and earphones? So all you now get with the iPhones is this small box which includes the smartphone and just the data cable and maybe some necessary paperwork. Like everyone was already speculating, Apple removed these to reduce the carbon footprint, which look, it's not a bad thing. I totally agree with reducing the carbon emissions to save the planet, but they should at least offer the charger for those who don't already have a spare one. Otherwise, I'm kind of mad, but looking at the big picture, saving the planet, I mean, how can I be mad? Now let's talk display sizes. The iPhone 12 mini has a display of 5.4 inches and the iPhone 12 has a display of 6.1 inches. The Pro series is the biggest iPhone we have ever seen yet, with the iPhone Pro Max coming at 6.7 inches and the iPhone 12 Pro coming at 6.1 inches. Sorry guys, but there is no 120Hz present this year. Maybe next year. As for cameras, we have dual cameras on the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, including the standard and the wide angle lens, and on the Pro series we have triple shooters including wide, ultra wide and telephoto. Apple also brings the Apple ProRAW and Apple HDR video, also with a Lidar sensor. This Lidar sensor is actually a great inclusion, or at least it looked superb on the launch. It can measure objects, distances and can map out the room or the area, which can be used to, well, it can do some cool AR stuff and help with designing and whatnot. It also helps in low light shots, providing superb autofocus. Now to the prices of the new iPhone 12 series models. The iPhone 12 mini will cost $699, the 12 will cost $799, the iPhone 12 Pro will be $999 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is $1099. And in India, these are going to be the prices of each of the iPhones. Yeah, it's $1,634 for the iPhone 12 Pro in India if we do the conversion. That is super expensive. But hey, at least the minimum storage on the Pro series is now 128GB. Pre-orders of the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will start on October 16th with shipping on October 23rd. And iPhone 12 Pro Max 12 mini will go on pre-order on November 6th with shipping on 13th of November. So guys, that was it for the iPhone event, all the important details. There were a lot of tiny ones, but these are the big ones which you do care. You can ask me any questions about the iPhone 12 series in the comment section. I will try to help you out. Let me know guys your thoughts about the iPhone 12 series. Give me a like button if you want to see more videos from me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.